Hello friends, welcome to a hymn a day with Jesus. This hymn is titled Grace 'Tis a Charming Sound. Grace 'tis a charming sound, harmonious to the ear. Heaven with the echoing sound, and all the earth shall hear. Saved by grace alone, this is all my plea. Jesus died for all mankind, and Jesus died for me. 'Twas grace that wrote my name in life's eternal book. 'Twas grace that gave me to the Lamb who all my sorrow took. Saved by grace alone, this is all my plea. Jesus died for all mankind, and Jesus died for me. Grace taught my wandering feet to tread the heavenly road, and new supplies each I meet while pressing unto God. Saved by grace alone, this is all my plea. Jesus died for all mankind, and Jesus died for me. Oore ọ̀fẹ́ kọ́ mi bí a ti ń gbàdúrà, ó pa mí mọ́ títí dòní, kò sì jẹ́ kí n ṣáko. Oore ọ̀fẹ́ ṣá ní ìgbẹ́kẹ̀lé mi, Jésù kú fún aráyé, ó kú fún mi pẹ̀lú. Jẹ́ kóore ọ̀fẹ́ yìí fàgbára fọkàn mi, kí n lè fi gbogbo ipá mi àtọjọ́ mi fún ọ. Oore ọ̀fẹ́ ṣá ní ìgbẹ́kẹ̀lé mi, Jésù kú fún aráyé, ó kú